One single snake was having fun on a sunny day, basking in the sun. Two silly squirrels were playing in a tree, chasing each other as happy as can be. Three snails slithered on a slimy track, squishy and sticky, never looking back. Four sleepy sloths were hanging from a vine, taking a long nap until it was time to dine. Five spotted seagulls were soaring up high, gliding through the clouds with grace in the sky. Six shiny seashells were lying on the sand, sparkling in the sun like jewels so grand. Seven swift swallows were flying in a row, darting and diving as they put on a show. Eight sneaky spiders, crafting their weaves, hiding in the holes and under the leaves. Nine sweet strawberries were growing in a patch, juicy and delicious with a taste you can't match. 10 short shrubs were standing in a row, providing shade and beauty everywhere they go. Our tale is told, our rhymes are through. We hope it brought a smile to you. With wondrous words we weaved our way and wish to whisk worries away.